Now listen to part of a lecture in a sociology class.
We are swimming in a sea of information these days. With more and more sources available, it is not easy to make decisions. Information overload is the difficulty in making decisions, when one is exposed to, or presented with, too much information or data. Seems like there is a paradox in play, right? Who would have thought that less information can actually be more helpful? Okay, I would like to give you some examples of information overload hampering our decision-making process. Let me start with my personal experience. Just a few months ago, I was searching for accommodations for my summer vacation on the internet. I came across several websites. However, when I started reading the traveler reviews, that was when everything became so complicated. The websites all had different user ratings and reviews, even though they were dealing with the same hotel. I was seriously flustered. With all the user reviews giving me different opinions, I couldn't decide which hotel to reserve. This is information overload, in which the access to more data can lead us to make bad decisions. Here's another example. We all know that email communication is an inherent part of workplaces today. And we assume that the use of electronic media will improve management of workload and productivity for workers and companies. However, an ever-increasing data volume in emails, cluttering employees' inboxes, have resulted in the deficient quality of communication between employees and customers. Employees are often swamped with emails in their daily life that they cannot properly deal with, or respond to customer emails within an appropriate time frame. Delivery of too many messages has led to inefficient workflow and more customer complaints, consequently to less job satisfaction.
The professor talks about the concept of information overload. Using points and examples from the lecture, explain how his examples demonstrate information overload.